Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an account for your Sam's Club application on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your App Store and search for Sam's Club, just like I'm about to do. And once you've done that, simply tap on the Sam's Club Pickup and Delivery application, click on the download icon and install it onto your device, and now click on open. As you can see, I'm already in my account. All you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on this account tab right here and click on sign in or create account. And now if you don't have an account but you have a membership, all you need to do is tap on register your membership. If you don't have any of those, what you need to do is simply click on join now. And once you've done that, as you can see, you can take the membership right from here by clicking on join plus, and then your account will be created. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.